It is Wednesday, my dudes. I got a bushing kit for the Datsun shifter, so we're gonna see if now installing this brass bushing kit is gonna let us get into third and fourth gear. Because right now it only has first and second gear. So this is all it is. It's a little kit for the grand total of $37.50. From the forums, I read this. Apparently, the transmissions that were in the Z's were the same in the trucks because they were more durable. I don't know anything about Datsuns really, other than this one, so assuming the forms are correct, this should fit, so let's go slap it in. This is the stock shifter. Some light in there. So that is in first gear. There's almost no bushing left, if there is any. That should be third, but it doesn't actually go in. And that should be fourth, but it doesn't actually go in. So either the 3/4 fork, shift fork, that synchro could be completely gone, or the pads on the fork could be gone. And that's why we're not getting all the throw that we need. If that's the case, I don't even know if you can buy those parts. I'll have to look into that. But if we're lucky, just replacing these bushings will give us enough throw. Looks like we just need to take this here circlip off. The pin should push out, and we'll replace all of it. And that's what it looks like. Pretty gross. There's no seal or anything. Well, I guess there's this boot, this inner boot, but that's not doing a great job. I believe that this little cup on the end here is that little white thing there. Kind of odd that they assemble it that way, but yep. So that's what's left of the stock bushings. The little cup pulled right off of the end there. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean the inside of that out. Got the bushings installed. Just cleaned out the inside with this little round pick. Just gave it a little clean up. This one went right in. This one I kind of had to tap in on this side, but no big deal. So that's pretty much all there is to it. I took the whole shifter and just dipped it in a vat of grease, spun it around in there, and just got grease all up in it. Put the new white cap on the bottom. The only hard part about installing it was getting the cap lined up with the little indent inside of it. It might make more sense just to install the cap down into the trans and then just plunge the shifter in and just kind of give it a pop to pop it in there. But yeah, once you're done with that, throw the pin in. The pin does have an index on the bottom. So you gotta make sure that's lined up, and then throw your new C-clip on the other side. So yeah, it feels better. It feels better already. That's 3/4, so there's reverse. We'll see. I'll see if I can get this piece of shit running and tell you guys what happens. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Super easy mod. As old as these things are, super worthwhile. I'm sure it's gonna be way easier to shift and just feel a lot better from here on out. Well, so here's first movement. Here's second movement. Here's third. So we have third now. Fourth. Seems like the synchro might be fucked, or the fork is bent. Oh my god, we have fourth. Okay, you just gotta muscle it in there a little bit. And we still have reverse. Alright, well, I guess this worked.